MIT is free. Software is free as is. But service support features are not and should not be, right? If organizations are reaching out to maintainers or engineers in those organizations, they are doing paid work. But often they don't realize on the other side of the table that there is someone doing unpaid work. Thank you for giving us permission to reach out to a few of those maintainers where people that had raised issues, whether it was support issues or feature requests, and seeing when you turn the table around and ask them for help, how generous people are with their time. And I think this is what maintainers need to realize, that yes, your name is tied to that package and you want to do right, but you have to make a conscious effort of where you allocate your time, where you allocate your resources. Long term, that will come back and create more demand on your projects and your packages. But I guess the maintainer profile is someone that takes pride in their work, and having that engagement is great. On the company side, I think companies need to step up.
In my opinion, I think, especially for tech companies that are using open source packages, this is as ESG as you can get. Like, you're contributing to the community, and you are benefiting from it. So I'm actually thinking when there will be some kind of stock index, because eventually, once it gets to this level, this is where it gains the right traction.
Yeah.
When there will be a stock index that track companies that contribute to open source, because that's a proper ESG metrics.
Yeah. Well, I guess the thing is, when we looked at and when we analyzed your packages, they're actually used by some notable organizations, right? So you have alpha.gov, which is part of the UK government. You've got AWS Labs, EPAM, which is a consulting agency, Google. You've got Netflix, Pinterest, Reddit. There's a number of sizable organizations that depend on you to continue maintaining your project and packages. How does that make you feel? And as a maintainer, how have you been recognized or rewarded by these companies?
Well, to be honest, I only know that they're using my packages thanks to you.
A little bit of self-promotion on our side.
No, that's this is really, it's really valuable information, to realize it. I can say, a part of me is saying, without mentioning the specific name of companies, but yeah, I was interviewed for some of the companies that you mentioned, and I wanted to kind of tell them, so I'm not good enough to work for you for money, but I'm good enough for you to use my code for free.